These are the 1 ounce dropper bottles. Absolutely love them because they are in this dark amber color, which is great because it protects whatever you have, essential oils or precious oils inside. It will make it protective to sunlight, so to speak. So it has this twist mechanism here with the pipette inside, also made of glass. And then here you can easily use it to count, for example, drops, or just to transfer it into another container. I use it for different kinds of products, like for example my handmade beard oil or hair oil, but you could also use it just to keep your essential oils or whatever oils you want to have, so that you can easily use it. Like for example, you can put it in your hand whenever you have a hair oil that you want to then spread into your hair. So I absolutely recommend this. And these have always worked great for me.